In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Bamboo Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Bamboo Primary and Bible knowledge. What was the profession of Adam's son, Abel?
Farmer.
Farmer.
Incorrect, shepherd. Vaz, who was the older brother of Moses?
Aaron.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual. Bamboo, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Colombia.
Incorrect, it's Ecuador. Vaz, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Paraguay.
Correct. Science, Bamboo, where does urine get stored before it is pushed out of the body?
Gallbladder.
Incorrect, it's in the bladder. Vaz, urine in humans flow from which organ to the bladder?
Ureter.
Incorrect, it's the kidneys. Television, it's a visual. Bamboo, please look at the monitor and identify this character from the Home Alone movie series.
Kevin.
Correct. Vaz, look at the monitor and identify this character from the Home Alone movie series.
Give an answer. Abraham James.
Incorrect, it's Marv Merchants. English language, Bamboo, form a noun from the verb to pronounce.
Pronunciation.
Correct. Good. Vaz, form a noun from the adjective reluctant.
Reluctancy.
Incorrect, it's reluctance. Sports, it's a visual. Bamboo, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andre Russell.
Incorrect, it's Stephanie Taylor, West Indian cricketer. Vaz, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Nikita Andrews.
Incorrect, it's Hayley Matthews, West Indian cricketer. General knowledge, Bamboo, for how many years was Nelson Mandela imprisoned in the apartheid era in South Africa?
2 years.
Incorrect, 27 years. Vaz, in what year did Nelson Mandela become president of South Africa in the first elections after his release from prison?
1957.
Incorrect, it's 1994. Social studies, Bamboo, what is the Jamaican name for the aloe vera plant?
Cinco Bible.
That's right. Vaz, what is the Jamaican name for a vulture or carrion crow?
John Crow.
Correct. Music, Bamboo, to what specific family of instruments does the trombone belong?
Brass wind.
Correct. Vaz, to what specific family of instruments does the recorder belong?
Woodwind.
That's right. Mathematics, Bamboo, what is the median of 24, 13, 22, 28, 12, and 15?
26.
Incorrect, it's 18.5. Vaz, what is the median of 37, 29, 19, 20, 22, and 21?
13.
Incorrect, it's 21.5. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Bamboo Primary on 4 and Vaz Prep on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. If you take public transportation home, only use the transport and routes approved by your parents or guardians. Do not follow anyone to strange or unfamiliar locations. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.